Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn the letter N. Can you say N?
N.
Great! Look carefully. Big N is written like this, N. And small n is written like this, N. Big N and small n, N and N. N is for nest. A bird builds a nest in the tree. Do you like little birds? N is also for nose. A nose helps us smell flowers and food. What can you smell right now? And N is for nut. A nut is small and crunchy, tasty and fun. Let's say the words slowly together. Nest, nose, nut. Excellent! Now, trace the letters in the air with your finger. Big N, one line down, a slant across, and one line up. Again, one line down, a slant across, and one line up. Can you clap 3 times and say N? 1, 2, 3. N! The letter N is nice. You learned big N, small n, and words like nest, nose, and nut. Next time, we will meet the letter O.
Wow!
Bye-bye, kids!